मुझे दूसरों की मदद करना पसंद है। आई लाइक हेल्पिंग अदर्स। आई लाइक हेल्पिंग अदर्स। वह ज़रूर इंतज़ार कर रहा होगा। ही मस्ट बी वेटिंग। ही मस्ट बी वेटिंग। हमने अपना बचपन साथ बिताया। We spent our childhood together. We spent our childhood together. वह जानता है कि उसे क्या करना है। He knows what he has to do. He knows what he has to do. मेरी जीभ फूल रही है। My tongue is swelling up. My tongue is swelling up. तुम एक दिन समझ जाओगे। You will understand one day. You will understand one day. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. चलो शॉपिंग करने चलें। Come on, let's go for shopping. Come on, let's go for shopping. तुम कुछ क्यों नहीं कह रही हो? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not saying anything? मैंने आपको कई बार चेतावनी दी। I warned you many times. I warned you many times. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि आपको याद है। I can't believe you remember. I can't believe you remember. मैं उसे अपने आप से दूर नहीं जाने दूंगा। I will not let him go away from me. I will not let him go away from me. चाहे तुम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो। No matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try. ध्यान से मुंह मत जला लेना। Be careful not to burn your mouth. Be careful not to burn your mouth. मैं आपके लिए वापस आऊँगा। I will be back for you. I will be back for you. आप जितना चाहो उतना खा सकते हैं। You can eat as much as you want. You can eat as much as you want. मेरी ज़िंदगी में आने के लिए शुक्रिया। Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for coming into my life. मैं उसे अपने आप से दूर नहीं जाने दूंगा। I will not let him go away from me. I will not let him go away from me. चाहे तुम कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो। No matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try. ध्यान से मुंह मत जला लेना। Be careful not to burn your mouth. Be careful not to burn your mouth. जब खाना बहुत गर्म हो और आपको बोलना हो कि ध्यान से मुंह मत जला लेना, उस समय इस सेंटेंस का यूज़ किया जा सकता है। Be careful not to burn your mouth. मैं आपके लिए वापस आऊँगा। I will be back for you. I will be back for you. आप जितना चाहो उतना खा सकते हैं। You can eat as much as you want. You can eat as much as you want. मैं यहाँ नहीं रह सकता। I can't stay here. I can't stay here. यहाँ आसपास बहुत शोर है। There is a lot of noise around here. There is a lot of noise around here. मैं यहाँ जिंदगी भर नहीं रह I can't stay here all my life. I can't stay here all my life. मैं बस आपको खुश देखना चाहता हूँ। I just want to see you happy. I just want to see you happy. इसके पीछे क्या कारण हो सकता है? What could be the reason behind this? What could be the reason behind this? मुझे पता लगाना होगा। I have to find out. I have to find out. वह मदद के लिए चिल्ला रही। She is screaming for help. She is screaming for help. कोई उसकी मदद करो। Someone helps him. Someone helps him. मुझे पता था कि तुम ऐसा बोलोगी। I knew you would say that. I knew you would say that. मुझे अंधेरे से डर लगता है। I am scared of the dark. I am scared of the dark. आपने सही काम किया. You did the right thing. You did the right thing. मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. वह खतरे से बाहर है. He is out of danger. He is out of danger. तुमने मेरे लिए कोई रास्ता नहीं छोड़ी. You have left me no choice. You have left me no choice. आप दोनों को बधाई हो. Congratulations to both of you. Congratulations to both of you. मेरे साथ फिर कभी ऐसा मत करना. Don't ever do this to me again. Don't ever do this to me again. हमेशा की तरह तुम सुंदर लग रही हो. You are looking beautiful as always. You are looking beautiful as always. किसी से कुछ मत कहना. Don't say anything to anyone. Don't say anything to anyone. मैं अपने बीते हुए कल को नहीं भूल सकता. I can't forget my past. I can't forget my past. मुझे तुम्हारी बात करने का तरीका पसंद है. I like the way you talk. I like the way you talk. मैंने तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार किया. I loved you the most. I loved you the most. मैंने इस पर बहुत मेहनत की. I worked very hard on this. I worked very hard on this. तुम अपनी माँ से इस तरह बात नहीं कर सकती. You can't talk to your mother like this. You can't talk to your mother like this. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठने से नफरत है. I hate getting up early in the morning. I hate getting up early in the morning. मेरे सीने में दर्द हो रहा है. I am having pain in my chest. I am having pain in my chest. जो तुम्हें करना है वो करो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. मेरे कंधे से अपना हाथ उठा. Take your hand off my shoulder. Take your hand off my shoulder. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि तुम जल्दी ठीक हो. I hope you get well soon. I hope you get well soon. मुझसे इस तरह बात मत. Don't talk to me like this. Don't talk to me like this. हर कहानी के दो पहलू होते हैं. There are two sides to every story. There are two sides to every story. हर कोई आपकी तरफ है. Everyone is on your side. Everyone is on your side. मुझे अपना पता मैसेज करो. Message me your address. Message me your address. मैं अब और इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मेरा इरादा कभी किसी को चोट पहुंचाना नहीं था. I never meant to hurt anyone. I never meant to hurt anyone. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं My intention was never to hurt anyone. My intention was never to hurt anyone. कहना आसान है, करना मुश्किल है. It is easy to say but very difficult to do. It is easy to say but very difficult to do. मुझे पता था कि तुम ऐसा कुछ करोगे. I knew you did something like this. I knew you did something like this. मैंने काफ़ी देर इंतज़ार कर लिया. I waited for a long time. I waited for a long time. मुझे लगता है कि अब मुझे जाना चाहिए. I think I should go now. I think I should go now. मैं अब और इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. Now I can't wait any longer. Now I can't wait any longer. तुम अब पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. You are no longer the same as before. You are no longer the same as before. क्या हुआ मुझे बताओ. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. शायद मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकूं. Maybe I can help you. Maybe I can help you. ये तुम पर अच्छा लग रहा है. It looks good on you. It looks good on you. भौंकने वाले कुत्ते काटते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. मुझे नहीं पता कि कहाँ से शुरू करूं. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. मैं नहीं जानता कि क्या कहूं. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. मैं नहीं जानता कि मैं क्या करूं. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. This should not have happened. This should not have happened. मैं सबसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I apologize to everyone. I apologize to everyone. तुम अपने बीते हुए कल को नहीं बदल सकते. You cannot change your past. You cannot change your past. यह तुम्हारी जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन है. This is the last day of your life. This is the last day of your life. आपका अंदाज़ा उतना ही सही है जितना कि मेरा. Your guess is as correct as mine. Your guess is as correct as mine. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. It seems that you don't love me. It seems that you don't love me. उसने मुझे ये भी नहीं बताया कि वो आ रहा है. He didn't even tell me he was coming. He didn't even tell me he was coming. मैं आपको ये साबित करने के लिए क्या करूं? What should I do to prove this to you? What should I do to prove this to you? अगर उसने तुम्हें देख लिया होता. What if he had seen you? What if he had seen you? मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि तुम मेरी ज़िंदगी में हो. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I am so lucky to have you in my life. मुझे पता है कि तुम यहाँ सिर्फ मेरे लिए हो. I know you have come here just for me. I know you have come here just for me. मुझे परवाह नहीं है कि लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. I don't care what people are saying. I don't care what people are saying. लालच बुरी बला है. Greed is a great evil. Greed is a great evil. अपना वादा निभाने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for keeping your promise. Thank you for keeping your promise. मैं ये खुद कर लूँगा. I will do it myself. I will do it myself. आपके मन में जो कुछ है कह दो. Say whatever in your mind. Say whatever in your mind. मैंने इसे शांत करने की कोशिश की. I tried to calm it down. I tried to calm it down. मुझे माफ़ करें, मैंने आपका विश्वास नहीं किया. I'm sorry, I didn't believe you. I'm sorry, I didn't believe you. माफ़ कीजिए, मैंने आपको पहचाना नहीं. Sorry, I didn't recognize you. Sorry, I didn't recognize you. मैं हमेशा यही बात सोचती रहती हूँ. I always keep thinking about this. I always keep thinking about this. मेरे पीछे मत आना. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. ये इतना आसान नहीं है जितना तुम सोचते हो. It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy as you think. मैं तुम्हारी रक्षा नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I won't be able to protect you. I won't be able to protect you. कृपया मेरी स्थिति को समझने की कोशिश करो. Please try to understand my situation. Please try to understand my situation. मैं किसी की दखलंदाजी अपने जीवन में बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I cannot tolerate anyone's interference in my life. I cannot tolerate anyone's interference in my life. तुम जो चाहते हो मैं तुम्हें वही लाकर दे सकता हूँ. Whatever you want, I can get it and give it to you. Whatever you want, I can get it and give it to you. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. बट इस वीडियो की फीडबैक मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर दें. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.